In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your location history on TikTok. You can simply delete your previous location and add a new location to your TikTok account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, tap on this option of privacy. Then select location services right here. To delete your account history, you will have to tap on delete location history. Go ahead and tap on delete. Your location history will be deleted successfully. Deleting location history on TikTok is important because it protects your privacy. It prevents others from knowing where you've been, which can help keep you safe from potential risks like stalking or unwanted attention. Plus, it gives you control over your personal information, ensuring that only you decide what to share. That's how easy it is to delete your TikTok location history. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.